Hi, hey Dazers. We are on our way to New York. We look a mess. It's like 4 a.m. It took us a while to find a gas station. I wanted to sleep, but I couldn't sleep because I was nervous that our car would stop somewhere on the road. We finally found a gas station and we're going in to use the restroom and all that good stuff. All right, so I will see you soon. We use the restroom. We're just getting some little snacks to eat. Hey, Salamata. Why didn't you take the jacket?
I don't know. I thought it was going to be hot.
Oh my God. Here's our driver, Adama. Our assistant driver, Miss Hawa. Aminatou Boom Boom, that's her sister and Hawa's sister. And one of my BFFs in Columbus. She got married and moved to New York. And then she had a baby. So that's where we're going. We're gonna go see her and the new baby. We look a mess, but it's 4 a.m. This is how people look at 4 a.m. So Auntie Yaya is rocking her metaphor. Yeah. Represent Mauritania.
The George Washington is the one you go into between Harlem and
on the tour?
Harlem and Brooklyn.
Yeah, on the tour.
All of you are filming. Oh, I need to film too. Being a bit jiggy here.
We're in Brooklyn. Here's our driver, our master driver. Hey guys, we're here. We're having breakfast. Hey Dazers, we are here getting ready for the morning or afternoon part of the event today. I just finished my makeup. I need someone to help me with my head wrap. So I'm waiting for the ladies here. This is what I'm wearing. I went all Senegalese today. Alright, this is the morning or afternoon part of the event. Assalamu alaikum, Ms. Bentu.
MashaaAllah. What time you waiting for?
I don't know, and I don't know.
No, but you have to come over there for a love.
There are
people over there waiting at
sama jabar.
Hey jam, ak noir filmé bi. O moy no faatu gewel. Nga wala téléphone.
Il faut badak glasses. Eh, sama dom ñew na. Xol ma fi. Salamata.
Nani mi yorante.
Salamata.
Yeah, you look like Barbie's mom. Daughter.
Deuro crazy, ane pole. Jekk na wa Columbus. Ardi borna. MashaaAllah. Columbus rek.
Sister, tell me now, no?
Konjal techo nenje gole powder. Konjal techo nenje gole powder. Ninde ya ba enulado. MashaaAllah, Yodi.
Yodi.
Yodi
Put
de.
the thing a little bit here to make it shinier.
Yeah.
Is it in there? That's deep into that.
So yalta yan seed.
Wali so Adama no one
Am na ko yeji
My
do
neighbor
bebbe
who
ma
watch
wala
out, you know, we
yeji
want-
kaw.
What are you guys doing here? I mean, you don't dare no lens out.
Where's your bag?
The boy had dog. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
For the baby shower? This will be the glam style. That's Aminatou's phone.
Did you put your clothes the one you wear easily on the stuff?
Yeah. Before I forget. Yeah, I don't think we're done.
The boy had dog. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not gonna ever use it again.
Or yaltinam hemde.
I'm not-
Endam bentuji. Ana. Yaltin hamdi. Yo Dustin come tuub now.
Hey guys, I am all set. I got my Daze glam on. We're ready to go. And he looks just like you. MashaaAllah. Aminatou, say hey to the vlog.
Hi.
Your hair tie look very nice.
I know.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
MashaaAllah. I hope I can look at it and replicate it.
No, when you're taking it off, just be careful and then take it to
My hijab needs ironing and there's no iron because they just recently moved and yeah, they didn't bring their iron. So. And I'm wearing Fenty for the first time. I'm wearing Fenty. Ooh, check out that. Well, doesn't help that I have a big nose. Alright, we're heading out. This is New York. Look at the stairs. It's so narrow and steep. Salamata Bihami. She's being super careful. And off we go. Dang, my dress is so long. Whew. There's the husband. Hey, madam. Ba, wait, are you Ba now? Or yes. You're still Ba? There's Auntie Bint. Auntie Bint to say hey, Dazers.
Hey, who?
Dazers.
Dazers.
Someone to say hey, Dazers. I mean, not to say hey, Dazers.
Hi.
No, hey, Dazers.
Hi, Dazers. Yeah,
We are in New York, Brooklyn, New York. Alright, and we are going to the venue right now.
Take a
We're
picture.
here.
Going upstairs. Lay down, relax, you know. Would you? Pillows, for me, go. I brought this back.
I'll take it. It's mine.
Would you order buddies? I'm near done.
La
have some food here. Really, really good food. Chapujang. With some sauce. I don't know what the sauce is, but it's so good.
Oh,
So good.
it tastes good.
It is. It's really good. We're helping her change her outfit. And we're starving, so we're going to eat a little bit.
That boy had dog. Yeah.
I'm learning.
She learned how we make the musso.
The musso. Yes, I'm getting some tips. I'm gonna have to look up. Okay, beautiful. All right, I see ya. MashaaAllah. MashaaAllah, tabarakallah. Hey, we're here doing our thing.
There we go.
All done. I just finished her makeup. Close your eyes. Yeah.
Is it Molly here?
I think.
That boy had dog. Yeah.
Oh, you didn't subscribe yet?
Yeah.
Did you subscribe?
Yeah, we did it earlier.
Yeah.
It's good?
Even got to there though.
You will be able to find this chair. How are you?
Someone else coming. Yeah.
Make it chic. Yeah, this is nice. I like it when it's
Do you want it this size or you want me to make it smaller?
No, I like this side. I like it big.
That boy had dog.
Show them your gimmick. Hey, show.
We need to play some Nigerian music too.
I know. I'll talk to you. Let me see your gilly. Hey, let me see your gilly. Glam by Gimbia.
Yes, she did all of this.
Users, we are back with another shout out box. We have Hajia and Maysur here and Hadaf. Say hi, Hadaf. All right, go ahead and shake the box.
So you shake it and pick out 3 names.
All right.
And you read it.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Agreement. Okay, hurry up, Maysur.
2.
Oh my gosh, Maysur, hurry up.
3. Okay, I'll read the names.
Close the box.
Okay.
What's the first name?
The first name is Suhoor. Suhoor.
Suhoor. Yay, yay, yay. Hey, Suhoor.
That's my boy.
Honey, that's your boy. Suhoor's a girl.
Oh.
All right, thanks for the support, Suhoor. That's my girl.
The second one is Alabi.
I love B.
That's my boy.
That's my boy.
That's my boy too.
That's my baby. I love him. He is such a clown. I love him so much.
He's my friend.
He's your friend? Okay. All right.
And
All right. And
last but not least is my friend Alaka.
Alika. Okay. It's brother sister. Hey, Alika. That's my girl. I love you. That's my baby. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for the support. As always, be sure to
like,